Students, we are doing chapter number 16, perimeter and area, and today we will do exercise 16.3. In this exercise you will get problems based on circle. So first we will discuss about circle. What is a circle? Circle is the collection of all points which are at a constant distance from a fixed point. So from this fixed point O, suppose this O is the fixed point. From this fixed point at a constant distance, if we mark all the points in all direction and later on we will join all that point, we will get this figure. This figure we will call circle. This fixed point is called as center of the circle, and this constant distance from center to any part of circle we will call radius. The part which will come inside this portion we will call the interior part of the circle, and whatever the points will come on this circular region we will call on the circle, and which points will come outside this circle we will call exterior part of the circle. Next is chord. Any two points, if you take any 2 points on this circle and we join the 2 points, we will call it a chord. And any chord which pass through the center, see P to Q, these 2 points on the circle, and but it is passing through the center, we will call diameter. So diameter is the longest chord and it will pass through the center. Diameter is equal to double of radius. Here to here it is radius, here to here it is radius. So diameter is the double of radius. Next thing is circumference. Circumference means the perimeter of this circle. So how to measure perimeter of this circle? You can keep one thread here and like this you can check, and later on you can do straight to that thread and you can measure the circumference of that circle. Or we have formula 2 pi r. If radius is given, then with the help of this formula circumference is equal to 2 pi r unit we can find out. Next, area of the circle. To find out the area of circle we have formula pi r square unit. This pi is equal to 3 point, pi value is equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14. It will be given in question. Any one value you have to keep in questions. Now we will do exercise 16.3. First question, find the circumference of the circle with the following radius. First part, radius is given 7 cm. So here r is given equal to 7 cm and the formula for circumference is c is equal to 2 pi r. So 2 pi value 22 by 7. If it is given 3.14, then only we have to substitute 3.14, otherwise we have to write 22 by 7 and r is 7. So 7 to 7 we can cancel. 2 into 22, 44 centimeter. Second part, r is given 21 centimeter. So r is given 21 centimeter. Substitute in formula, c is equal to 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 and r is 21. We can cancel. 7 3s are 21. Then multiply 2 into 22, 44. 44 into 3, 132 centimeter. Next, third part. Radius is given 28 millimeter. R is given 28 millimeter. So circumference is equal to 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into 28. So cancel. 7 4s are 28. Multiply it. 176 millimeter. Next, fourth part. R is given 3.5 centimeter. R is given 3.5 centimeter. So circumference is equal to 2 pi r, 2 into 22 by 7 multiply by 3.5. You can cancel by side 7 table. 7.5 times 35. Then you can multiply 2 into 22 into 0.5 is equal to 22 centimeter. Next question number 2. Find the area of the circle given that first part radius is 14 millimeter. So area we have to find out. Area is equal to pi r square. Pi value 22 by 7. R square means r multiplied by r, or 14 multiplied by 14. Then you can do the cancellation. 7 to the 14, and later on you have to multiply 22 into 14 into 2. You will get 616 millimeter square. Always the unit of area will be in square. Second part. Diameter is given 49 meter. So diameter 49 meter, it means radius is equal to 49 by 2 meter. So we have to find out area. Area is equal to pi r square. Pi value is 22 by 7 multiplied by 49 by 2 and 49 by 2. We can do the cancellation. 2 1s and 2 11 times. 7 1s and 7 7s 49. Then we have to multiply these number and later on we have to divide. Then we will get answer 1886.5 meter square. Third part, diameter is given 9.8 meter. Diameter is given 9.8 meter. So radius will be 9.8 by 2 is equal to 4.9 meter. Then you can substitute in formula. Area is equal to pi r square. Pi value is 22 by 7 multiplied by 4.9 multiplied by 4.9. Cancel with 7 table. 7 1s and 7.7 times 44.9. Then you have to multiply these numbers. You will get 75.46 meter square. Fourth part, radius is given 5 centimeter. So area will be pi r square. Pi value is 22 by 7 multiplied by 5 into 5. Then you have to multiply these number and divide by 7. You will get 550 by 7 centimeter square. You can change into decimal also, or you can change into mixed fraction. Next question number 3. Find the circumference and the area of a circle of radius 20 centimeter. Pi we have to use here 3.14. So r is given and pi value is given. So circumference is equal to 2 pi r. 2 into 3.14 multiplied by 20. After multiplication you will get 125.60 centimeter. Next we have to find out the area. Area is equal to pi r square. Pi value is 3.14 into 20 into 20. After multiplication we will get 1256 centimeter square. After 6 you will get 0.00, which is not necessary to mention. Next question number 4. The minute hand of a clock is 1.4 meter long. How far does the tip of the hand move in 1 hour? So this is the minute hand and it is 1.4 meter long. We have to find out how much it will move in 1 hour, this tip. So if you observe within 1 hour, this tip will move from here to here. It will move the circumference of this circle with radius 1.4. So first we have to find out the circumference for this circle. So C is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi value 22/7 and r is here 1.4. You can cancel with 7 table, 0.2 times it will cancel, multiply, you will get 8.8 meter. So it will move 8.8 meter in 1 hour. Next question number 5. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of the fence. Also find the cost of rope if it costs rupees 4 per meter. So when we are talking about the fencing, means we have to find out the perimeter. Here garden is in the shape of circle. It means we have to find out the circumference of the circle. And 2 rounds means 2 times we have to count it. So 2 round fence is equal to 2 into circumference. So 2 into circumference formula is 2 pi r. Here diameter is given 21 meter. So radius will be 21/2 meter, half of diameter. So substitute values here. 2 into 2, 22/7 into 21/2. You can cancel 7 3s and 1 2 also you can cancel and multiply it. You get 132 meter. So we need 132 meter rope here. Now we have to find out the cost for this. So cost of rope will be, for 1 meter cost is rupees 4. So we have to find out for 132 meter. So 4 into 132, 528 rupees. Next question number 6. If the circumference of a circle exceed its diameter by 30 cm, find the radius of the circle. So circumference of circle is more than diameter, and how much? By 30 cm. So this statement we can write like this: circumference minus diameter is equal to 30 cm. Circumference exceed means it is more than diameter by 30 cm. So the formula for circumference is 2 pi r and diameter is double of radius. So diameter we can write 2r is equal to 30. Now from these two, 2r we can take out common, then inside the bracket we have pi minus 1 is equal to 30. 2r, pi value we can write 22/7 minus 1 is equal to 30. Here we can take LCM. So we will get here 2r 16/7 equal to 30. So we will keep only r here and remaining things we can shift another side. 7 is here in denominator, it will go for multiplication. 2 and 16 will come here for division. You can cancel 2 15 times. After that you have to multiply 105 by 16. And when you will calculate, you will get answer 7.1 centimeter, which you can write approximately 7 centimeter. Next question number 7. Find the length of the diameter of a circle of circumference 44 centimeter. So here circumference is given 44 centimeter and circumference formula is 2 pi r is equal to 44. This 2 and r, 2r into pi is equal to 44. 2r we can write as d, diameter. So we can write it as d pi is equal to 44. D pi value is 22/7 equal to 44, and you can shift it another side. So 44 multiplied by 7 by 22. With 22 table you can cancel. So diameter will be here 14 centimeter. Next question number 8. The circumference of a circle is 31.4. Find radius and area of the circle. So circumference is given here 31.4. The formula for circumference is 2 pi r is equal to 31.4. So pi value we have to keep 3.14 here. Multiply by r is equal to 31.4. R keep this side and remaining numbers shift another side. These numbers will go for division. Now remove these decimals. You can write it 314. 314. Here one decimal we are removing, so include 10 here, and from denominator 2 decimal we are removing, so include 100 up. Now 314 you can cancel, 10 also you can cancel, and 2 1s are 2 5s are you can cancel. So radius is here 5 centimeter. Next you have to find out the area for this circle. So area is equal to pi r square. Pi is 3.14 and r is 5 into 5. R square means 2 times you have to take. Multiply these number, 78.5 centimeter square. Next question number 9. Find the radius and circumference of a circle whose area is given 144 pi centimeter square. So area is given here 144 pi centimeter square. Area formula is pi r square is equal to 144 pi. So r square is equal to 144 pi divided by pi. We are not substituting here pi value because it is given, area is given in the form of pi only. So it will cancel out. So r square is equal to 144. You have to do the factor of 144 and then you will get 144 when you will do the factor 2 4 72, 236, 218, 29, 3, 3 and 1. So here you have to take 2 together. So r square is equal to 2 square and 3 square. So all the power we can leave here, all power are same. R is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. R value is here 12 centimeter. It means radius is 12 centimeter. Directly also you can do 144 you can write as 12 square and directly r is equal to 12 centimeter you can write. After this you have to find out the circumference. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r, 2 into 22 by 7 into 12. Multiply all the numerator and then divide by 7. You will get 75.42 centimeter square. Next question number 10. How many times will the wheel of a car rotate in a journey of 88 km given that the diameter of wheel is 56 centimeter? So diameter is given 56, it means radius will be 28 centimeter, half of that. Now one rotation is equal to the circumference of a wheel. So one rotation it will rotate one time and whole circumference it will cover. So first we will find out the circumference here. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r, 2 into 22 by 7 multiply by 28. You can cancel 7 4s are 28. Multiply 176 centimeter. So one rotation is equal to 176 centimeter. Total distance is given here 88 kilometer. Total distance is here 88 kilometer. So first we need to change this 88 kilometer into centimeter. Unit should be same. So 88 kilometer, when you will change into meter, you have to include 30. And again 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So meter to change into centimeter, 2 more zeros. So 88 kilometer is equal to 88 lakh centimeter. Now we can find out the number of rotation. So the number of rotation is equal to total distance by circumference. Total distance is here 8, 8. After that 5 zeros are there and circumference is 176. By 88 table you can cancel 88 and then here 2 times. Then again with 2 you can cancel. After 5, 4 zeros. So 50,000 times it will rotate. You can use small table also. You can use 4 table or 8 table for cancellation here. So in this video we will do till here. Hope you understood this question properly. Please practice this question yourself also. Thank you for watching.